So students, we are going to study we are going to start with the second chapter, that is biology is the study of pattern, okay, and the process of life and its diversity. So this is the topic which we are going to start for today, and this topic we are going to complete within this week. So it is said that why do we study biology? The first thing which comes in your mind, that why do we require to study the biology? What is the need of studying the biology? Think about it for a second. First, okay, the first point which is given in your book, it is written that curiosity and interest, naturally the biology invokes the curiosity and interest in you, that why, how the plant, okay, absorbs water, okay, which are, though we are calling plant as a living thing, then why we are calling plant as a living thing? There are many factors which you think that why this is occurring in this, how our body, how water and minerals are being circulated in our body, and how does the heart beats. Okay, so these are the curiosity which are invoked by the biology. Second, it is said that observation, it helps you to form an observation process, okay, that how this process is occurring, how the whenever we perform an experiment, we say that observe what is happening to the next. So when you observe, you learn something. Yes, this is the thing what is happening. Okay, next it is said that mutual interdependence of the life form. We all know each and our environment is, we are dependent upon the environment for our food, okay, for oxygen, everything we are dependent on the organism, and after that we are also, the environment is also dependent on us. So interdependence of the environment with one another. Next it is said that to kindle the love for the animals and the plants, you all love, the biology invokes in you the love for the nature, and in nature what? You love the plants, you love the animals, you have a, you even love watching the songs of the birds. So these are the things which are being invoked by the biology. So there are many other points, just go through it class. The same thing it is given here. If you have any doubt in these points, do text me on the comment section. Okay, next we are going to start with the different branches of the biology. Okay, the first branch of the biology, it is called biochemistry. So what it is biochemistry? It tells you the combination of the biology and the chemistry. Okay, so it deals with the study of the chemical substances and the chemical processes of the living thing. Whenever we feel we fall sick, the doctor recommends go to the lab and they have your blood test. What we do in the lab, these are all the things which are being analyzed in the lab. So that is called what? Biochemistry. So biology and chemistry combination together called biochemistry. Second, it is called molecular biology. So what is molecular biology? When we study about the molecules, so where are the molecules present? Okay, the functions and the structures of the large molecules that are associated with the living organisms, that is protein, okay, nucleic acid, DNA, RNA, these are what? These are the molecules. So when we are studying about these molecules, they are called what? Molecular biology. Immunology. Immunology, you all know our body has a defense system. In this you all had the lockdown, right? In this lockdown, what has been said, that you should wear the mask, you should sanitize your hand. Why do we require to sanitize our hand? Why do we require to cover our mouth? Because to protect ourselves from the virus and coronavirus. Okay, and because our body does not know how to fight against it. Okay, so for that, the what is being now into 2021, we have the vaccination which is being what? Invented. Okay, so vaccination will help to fight against this virus. So immunology, it means that the branch of science which deals with the responses of our body with the what? With the antigen, it is said that with the challenge by the antigen is referred to as immunology. Next, it is said genetics. So what do you mean by genetics? Suppose if I say you are looking like your mother, you are looking like your grandfather. So how do you look? What are the characters that made you look like your grandfather, that made you look like your mother? It is the genes that you have inherited from your parents. Okay, so when the branch of science which deals with the study of the variation, heredity, okay, that branch, it is called what? Genetics. Okay, Next it is called histology. What is histology? Histology is the microscopic study of the form of the organs. So when you are taking the sectioning, okay, of an organ like liver, kidney, when we are studying the organs, histology, when we are studying the organs in detail under the microscope, that is called what? Histology. Next is anatomy. When you are studying the whole internal structure of an organism, like human being, okay, anatomy of a human being means you are studying what are all the internal structure, what are all the internal organs present inside the human body, then that branch it is called anatomy. Okay, so class, we are ending up here, up to here anatomy. In the next class we will continue with the physiology, ecology and behavioral biology. So thank you class, we will continue in the next class.